Water heaters are us. We got Mike here draining the tank out. It's like me and Mikey are the water heater kings. Let's get in there and see what's going on. Let's get on it. Well, we got our work cut out for us on this one. We're gonna have to cut this 1/2-inch pipe out. Cut this out, throw a 3/4 T in there, cut this off, and we'll have to repipe it here, but the gas line's the issue. Got 3/8. Goes to the old B-cock. That's not enough gas, so we're gonna have to, I don't have anywhere to tap into, and this isn't a repipe job, so we're gonna have to go down there, run some flex up over, and I'll have a riser.
Just think how long that's been there, Joe.
Yeah, it's been there a while.
Shit.
Okay, we got the tank out, and we're gonna throw a T back in here. Oh my, fit this up, throw a T in there.
Okay.
Throw a T and shoot that T straight down.
Okay.
And couple that up. And then throw a coupling on that other one.
The T.
T is right here.
Okay.
There. Put a T on there. Boy, oh boy, we got our work cut out for us on this one, man. Let me cut you a piece.
Go ahead and prop.
Yeah. Where's your tape measure? Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh, it fell in there.
So what do I need? 6.
About 6.
6 1/2, 6 3/8. Do I have any play this way? Fucking nothing. No play. Hold on. Try. I got some play that way.
Go ahead and press.
Hold on, dude. Let's get all this set it up here. All right, I'll push. You put it in. Man, I ain't got. There's just no play.
All right.
Good?
Yep.
All right.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Go ahead. Press that, okay. Well, let's get the new tank down here. Alright, we're gonna fit this one up here really quick. Gonna move the tank over. I'm gonna put a 10-inch piece. Wait for Mike to get back down here. Mike's getting the torch.
I had 2 3-inch 90s
That'll do.
and some vent pipe.
We're gonna get this side up here. You got the some sandpaper. We're gonna need that sandpaper again. All right, we're gonna get it fitted up here. Okay, Mike's back there screwing everything together. We had to jimmy the jog the vent. None of it was screwed together. Ran some new gas line up, got rid of the core wrench. I had to flex it because getting through these steam pipes is impossible. Just have to take the gas off from down there. So this is better than what it was. You gotta cap the decap off. We're gonna get ready and start it here. Look at Blue Dope, you guys' favorite. Got everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're probably gonna have to bleed that thing out. Got too much air in the way.
Undo the union?
Yeah. Undo the. Yeah, just undo the union. Give it a little quick bleed. There we go. Stinks of gas over here. autopilot. Got a light. Turn it up. She's off. Well, that's the best we could do with what we had. But we are done. Okay, that water heater, we did the best with what we had. Let's put it that way. Where that water heater was priced out, I had to make a quick decision of not repiping all the gas and take it where I can, take it where I can get it. Not everything's perfect. Is it safe? That's the main thing. Yes, it is. So before, as you've seen, there was copper line there for the gas. That's a big no-no. And so we had to take the gas from the bottom by the boiler, and I couldn't hard pipe the whole thing all the way. I just had too many steam pipes in the way. It was a steam boiler. So I got it as far as I could get it with hard pipe, and then I just flexed about 4 feet of it. It's going to work better than a 3/8 gas line to the water heater. But so, you know, it's you know, half the crap I run into, it's never perfect. I mean, come to find out that that guy had installed that water heater back in 2010. He installed it, so everything was hodgepodged. I had 1/2-inch water lines going to it off 3/4. So he did the best he could, you know, in 2010, which is 10 years ago, and it worked for 10 years. But it got to a point where it wouldn't keep the pilot lit. He needed a new gas valve for it, and he didn't want to put the money in it. So he just went and got a new tank, or had us put in a new tank. So that's kind of I couldn't get a lot of video. It's just, I had to get out of there. I got to go do a boiler install, or help on a boiler install, a Navian install. And so I had to kind of bust everything out really quick. Couldn't do too much filming. So that's where I'm going now, is my Navian install, and maybe I can get some video of that if the installers aren't too cranky. So I will see you on the next one.